Hello, viewer, welcome to my another video. I hope you are well. Today, I will show how can you make free your blurry picture to HD within Min. Follow me. Open your Chrome browser from your mobile phone or laptop and search GFPGAN in Google. After searching, you will appear number 2 site replicate.com. Just open him, and after opening you will appear already uploaded image. Just delete him from deleted button and upload your photo which you want convert to HD. Then scroll down the web and change version of picture 1.4 to 1.3. It's best than others version. Don't change scale option and below click submit button. After submitted you can see the quality of picture which I uploaded is increased. Here you own increase for free your any old and blur picture HD. Hope this video helpful for you. If this video helpful for you then please click like button, and if you want see in future more informative video then please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.